Hello kids! Today we will draw a cute bonsai tree. Let's start step by step. First, draw a pot. Then draw round green leaves on the top. Now draw branches and the trunk going down into the pot. Make all the lines bold with a marker. Wow! The drawing looks so nice! Now let's fill the colors. Green color, fill it in the leaves. Brown color, fill it in the trunk and branches. Gray color, fill it in the pot. Our cute bonsai tree drawing is ready.